Want to know how to open up editor settings in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Cursor AI. Make sure you have downloaded the application and make sure you have logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to download and sign in to Cursor, so make sure to watch that. So once you've opened up your application, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing this settings icon right here. Just simply select that. This is the Cursor settings. So once you have selected Cursor settings, here you should be under general right here. So now once you're under general, you can just simply make sure you're under preferences. So once you're under preferences, you should be seeing editor settings. So you can just simply select open right here. So now once you have open, here you should be seeing your editor settings right here. You can change settings like font size, auto save, you can turn it on, which is really important, your font family, tab size, and much more. You can also head towards text editor, application, security, and much more just through these user settings. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.